When an adult is prescribed neuropathy therapy, they expect immediate relief, but the reality of treatment is gradual, leaving patients uncertain and unsupported when they're alone at home. Because symptom relief takes time, early discontinuation is common. For brand Umi, the primary commercial constraint isn't clinical familiarity or securing the initial prescription. The real bottleneck is continuation control. Securing sustained brand growth and revenue requires us to structure and master this post-prescription treatment window. This chart maps the intended treatment timeline against actual patient behavior. The clinical pathway is designed for sustained therapy, but early patient drop-off fractures that intended route well before the first medical review. This gap carries immediate commercial consequences. Physicians lose visibility between visits. Follow-up appointments are delayed and treatment cycles are severely compressed. The neuropathy care journey spans 3 distinct phases: initiation, at home, and follow-up. The critical vulnerability is this isolated at-home segment where independent patients lose adherence and drop therapy. Stabilizing this unsupported middle phase is necessary to realize the intended clinical value of the therapy and protect represcribing. To bridge this visibility gap, we deploy the Neuropathy Continuing Companion, a clinic-embedded tool built to structure the patient experience between visits. The system has 3 pillars. First, explain anchoring expectations to timelines so patients know improvement is gradual. Second, support timed check-ins at day 7, 21, and 45 capture symptom data, keeping patients engaged. Third, recall, systematically triggering return visits when clinical intervention is required. This intervention transforms a passive at-home prescription into an active, tightly controlled care pathway. This split-screen visualization tracks the behavioral outcomes of the playbook. On the left, day 45 adherence trends upward, expanding the treatment cycle. On the right, structured follow-up compliance drives a rising clinical retention curve. By installing operational discipline between visits, clinics retain their patients longer. This translates directly into higher, more stable repeat prescribing within the exact same patient base. Implementing this playbook aligns Grand Umi with a highly reliable care experience. We move from being a simple molecule choice to the brand synonymous with patients who continue, return, and improve.